Hello, I'm Mahoro. As this video today is going to be long, I'm not going to speak too much. And thank you for the recent video has reached hundreds of viewers. It's you, my students, who are here to learn and to show me love that you love my language. So welcome to Kirundi Direct. And as the recent video was the difference between Kirundi Direct and Kinyarwanda Direct, but today we're going to spread out the Kirundi Direct alphabet. So iharufi y'ikirundi is how we speak it. I'm born and raised, and my basic education I made it in Burundi, and I assure you that if you watch this video carefully, you're going to improve and you're going to catch up what is Kirundi Direct is. So without delaying too much, welcome to my class today. And today is level 1 and lesson number 2. And last time we were seeing what is the greetings and difference between greetings in Kirundi and greetings in Kinyarwanda Direct. But today we're going to spread out Kirundi Direct alphabet. You're welcome. And if you're going to pause for the video, it's up to you. What do you want? Many practices, or you're practicing more, or maybe you're pausing for rest? That's okay. So you're welcome to my today's class, and don't forget to share and subscribe to my class. And every day, if you want to visit Rugamba Library, you're welcome. The video is for you. You're welcome. Anyway, the Kirundi Direct is a language that uses the Latin-based writings alphabet. It's very easy as English and French. So as we are heading to learn the alphabet, you need to pay more attention and to enjoy the class, right? So let's get started with today's class. This alphabet, as English and French, is the same in the writings, but the reading needs to be a little bit different. But as we are approaching to learn how to speak Kirundi, and we need to start with a very new lesson, and I hope that you're enjoying too much and very much, right? So let's get started. As in English we say A, in Kirundi we say A, A, A. In English we say B. In Kirundi we say be, be, be. In English we say C, but in Kirundi we say che, che, che. In English we say D, but in Kirundi we say de, de. In English we say E, but in Kirundi we say E, E. In English we say F, but in Kirundi we say fe, fe, fe. In English we say G, but in Kirundi we say ge, ge, ge. In English we say H, but in Kirundi we say he, he, he. In English we say I, but in Kirundi we say E, E. In English we say J, but in Kirundi we say J, J, J. In English we say K, but in Kirundi we say K, K, K. In English we say L or L, but in Kirundi we say le, le, le. In English we say M, but in Kirundi we say me, me, me. In English we say N, but in Kirundi we say ne, ne, ne. In English we say all, but in Kirundi we say all. In English we say P, but in Kirundi we say pe. In English we say R, but in Kirundi we say re. In English we say S, but in Kirundi we say se. In English we say T, but in Kirundi we say te. In English we say U, but in Kirundi we say U. In English we say V, but in Kirundi we say ve. In English we say W or double V, but in Kirundi we say we. In English we say Y, but in Kirundi we say ye. In English we say Z, but in Kirundi we say se. Alright, so this is alphabet, how we learn alphabet. Let's get the part 2 of how we can connect from the vowels and consonant. So vowels and consonant are the interconnection of vowels and consonant. So this is a very special that you need to learn when you are a new learner of Kirundi, when you're Kirundi learner, right? So let's get started with that one. So hope you are enjoying my class, right? Yeah, right. So let's get how we connect consonant and vowels. This is very important. This is the first class of Burundian learners. Everyone needs to start with this. So in one video, you're going to receive the class that you can take months and years. So let's get started. How we connect vowels and consonants, right? So in Kirundi, vowels, we have vowels, the same vowels. And as we recently see how we pronounce vowels, we have A, I, U, O, A. So let's repeat one more time. A, I, U, O, A. This very nice. So how do we say consonant? So we have be, che, de, fe, ge, he, le, je, ke, me, ne, pe, re, se, te, fe, we, ye, te. So how do we connect them? You take one consonant plus vowels that will give you a construction of a word, a single word. So let's go and see how we can connect them. Very easy. You just take consonant plus vowels equals a word. So these words you need just to know how to read them. Let's get how to read them. So we are going to sing a song that it's a chant, but it's not a song. We're going to chant how we can connect this, and this is a pretty way that we all started learning this. So we start. Be na a ni ba. Be and e ni b. Be na o ni bu. Be na o ni o. Be na e ni be. So why do I put na? Na means and. So let's learn in English. I will try. I don't know that I'm going to make it, but let me try. Be and a ni ba. Be na and e ni b. Be na o ni bu. Be na o ni obo. Be na e ni be. So how we can connect all of them, you need to try, as this video is going to be a little bit longer. So let's keep spreading out. Yes. Okay, let me rush it. Be. Now we go to che as C, right? Chena ani cha. Chena ini chi. Chena oni chu. Chena oni cho. Chena eni che. Right? Try one more time. Now D. Dena ani da. Dena ini di. Dena uni du. Dena oni do. Dena eni de. F. Fe na ani fa. Fe na ini fi. Fe na oni fu. Fe na oni fo. Fe na eni fe. G. Gena ani ga. Gena ini gi. Gena uni gu. Gena oni go. Gena eni ge. Easy. So now let's go with H. Hena ani ha. Hena ini hi. Hena uni hu. Hena honi ho. Hena eni he. Yeah, good job. So now we're going to L. Lena ani la. Lena ini li. Lena uni lu. Lena oni lo. Lena eni le. Yeah, good job. Now let's go to J. Jena ani ja. Jena ini ji. Jena oni ju. Jena oni jo. Jena eni j. Alright, now let's go to K. Kena ani ka. Kena ini ki. Kena oni ku. Kena oni ko. Kena eni ke. Right. Let's go to M. Mena ani ma. Mena ini mi. Mena oni mu. Mena oni mo. Mena eni me. Good job. Let's go to N. Nena ani a nina. Nena ini ni. Nena oni nu. Nena oni no. Nena eni ne. Good job. So now let's go to P. As is P, right? Pena ani pa. Pena ini pi. Pena uni pu. Pena oni po. Pena eni pe. Good job. Now let's go to R. R is re. Rena ani ra. Rena ini ri. Rena uni ru. Rena oni ro. Rena eni re. So R need to be sound like re, re, re. Yes. Okay, now let's go to S. Is se, right? Sena ani sa. Sena ini si. Sena oni su. Sena oni so. Sena eni se. Good job. So now let's go to te. Te is T, right? Tena ani ta. Tena ini ti. Tena uni tu. Tena oni to. Tena eni te. Good job. Now let's try V. It's ve. Vena ani va. Vena ini vi. Vena oni vu. Vena oni vo. Vena eni ve. Good job. So now let's get to W, right? It's we. Wena ani wa. Wena ini we. Wena oni wo. Wena oni wo. Wena any way. Good job. Now let's get into the why. Why? Why is ye? Yena ani ya. Yena ini ye. Yena oni you. Yena oni yo. Yena any ye. Good job. So now let's get to the last one is Z. Zena ani za. Zena ini zi. Zena oni zu. Zena oni zo. Zena any ze. Yeah, good job. So you've done good job. And I believe that one is pretty good and it's really helpful. So let's get to the next one. That will be the next lesson. Alright, thank you very much if you are enjoying this video, and if you are willing really to learn this language, please subscribe, and I've attached the materials on down below. Please try to find them. I've attached with the PDF file if you are willing to learn, and if you want a single one, if you want a single files, so you can please download them in the link below. So hopefully to see you next video, and I believe that if you have any question about Kirundi, or maybe something that I need to repeat one more time or to emphasize it, well, please don't let it go. Just let me know. Just this is for you and for us to practice together. So I believe that it was really helpful, and I will hope to see you in the next video, that we're going to see the new lessons, and hope that I will see you in the next 2 weeks or maybe 1 week after seeing the comment, after reaching 200 views. So hopefully to see you next week or maybe next 2 weeks. Thank you very much. See ya. Nagasaga. Nagasaga.